New Jersey. No idea what to expect, but I thought anything is better than the gray skies of Newark and the smell of the beer cans and the cigarettes. My Datsun bit it by the time I got to Washington, and I admitted my defeat. I sat and cried on the steps of the Capitol, and someone took a picture of me. Will I end up in Time magazine, American Portrait